So we have this Shopify Winter 2026 edition, and I got a lot of our colleagues and partners and clients asking, is OmniConvert screwed or not? So the short answer is not, and the long answer is this one. So first of all, what's happening? Shopify has just released this new edition with a lot of amazing updates. One of them is addressing the A/B testing part. So it has two things that are actually validating what we are doing for 13 years now. One is the A/B testing solution, which is OmniConvert Explorer, and the other one is our newest CRO benchmark, which means leveraging AI so that you can improve your website. So let's start with the first things first. What this is, this new rollout edition will allow companies to test out the themes directly in the admin, and they will have entire teams, and they will have, as I can see, confidence intervals. What I can see though is that they can't do more than just aggregating themes and allowing the users to test them out. What we do have right now is this one. Right, so OmniConvert Explorer is a full-featured experimentation tool which allows companies to do website testing. You have the support for any Shopify, you have the server-side testing, you can test the mobile apps, and we have just released our pricing and shipping testing capability these days. So basically, with OmniConvert Explorer, you can personalize the content for a lot of metrics. You can segment the data, you can run pricing testing, you can do element level changes and personalization and segment how the website looks for your VIPs, for your returning customers, for your about to churn customers, and you can do this on more than 50 different parameters. So while Shopify hopefully will democratize the A/B testing, and that's what I hope for, is nowhere near our Explorer product. And going further, let's look at their Shopify SimGym app. So basically this means you can have synthetic data. So you have this simulation of shoppers' behavior with AI. So agents will validate if the theme that you are about to release will make sense or not. So basically we'll come up with these types of insights. What we do have though is the capacity to do way more than that. With CRO benchmark, we have a full CRO leaderboard, so you can basically compare your website and get analyzed on 320 different criteria around the homepage, around the product listing page. You can look at accessibility, data hygiene score, like how you are tracking the page speed. You can get A/B testing ideas tailored on your on what's happening on your website, and you can prioritize those based on how critical or high or medium they are. So that's one thing that it's different. So basically you get criteria from 120 CRO experts that allow you to validate if you're making the good things happen on your website. And besides that, you have the leaderboard, so you can compare yourself with companies in your own vertical. Besides the analysis of the website, we have this brand field, right? So you can compare yourself and you can get reviews from Trustpilot and Google Maps reviews, so that you can see what's going on, which are the main topics, and to show it in full feature here. So you can see the issues, how critical they are. You have this cost expectation, delivery timeliness, and you can benchmark and add competitors so that you can see how you stand against the others. So that's with the difference between what Shopify is delivering and what we are delivering with our own AI e-commerce audit. And going further, we do have the capacity with Pulse and Reveal, our tools to run experiments on real data from in stores, right? So you can run experiments on certain stores that you're having, and you can see how those are working. So you can make changes and track the consumer behavior. You can look at things like what is the number of orders or customers or revenue or lifetime value or net promoter score impact based on the changes that you are making on different channels. So you can add an experiment on certain cities and on the website as well and see what is the impact in terms of not only the revenue but also the orders. Moreover, we have RFM flows, which allows you not just to ask your sidekick, because you have this sidekick over here, yeah? You can ask sidekick all sorts of insights, right? So what's going on with this product or the other product? And you can segment customers that bought this type of product or the other. But the difference between this and what we have is that, we have the capacity to look at the transitions that your customers, based on their recency, frequency, and monetary value, are making. Because these types of transitions are what you're after. You need to monitor not only segments, but their transition from one state to the other. So for instance, you have good transitions like potential lovers to lovers, and you also have bad transitions like platonic friends to breakups. And those things are the ones that you should be looking at. What categories or products or brands or even stores are allowing customers or making customers to get from one state to the other. And last but not the least, we have our Pulse Shopify app, right? That's allowing companies to monitor the sentiment analysis. So to get this type of insights so that you can do A/B testing based on, not on hunches or some gut feelings. You have these insights from CRO benchmark, you have your insights from your own customer base, you have insights from your competitors, from your users and their users. So that's why I'm actually excited, because that's certifying that what we are doing is the right things that will help merchants make progress in 2026 and onwards. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about it.